In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request control Google Meet. If you want the ability to manage a Google Meet, mute participants, admit attendees, start recordings, and more, the way to request control is to become a co-host. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that using a meeting that's already on your calendar. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Find the event that includes the Google Meet you want to join. This is usually any calendar event with a Meet link attached. Open the event, and you'll see an option that says, Join with Google Meet. Click that to launch the meeting window. When the preview screen appears, check your mic and camera if you need to, and then select Join Now to enter the meeting. Once you're in the meeting, look for the host controls. These are typically accessed via a shield icon or a host controls button in the meeting's control bar. Open host controls and enable host management. This setting needs to be on for the host to share hosting privileges with someone else. If you don't see host controls, it usually means you're not the meeting host. In that case, ask the host to follow these steps so they can grant you co-host access. With host management enabled, open the People panel. You'll find it by clicking the People icon, which shows the list of all participants in the meeting. Locate the person you want to give control to. If that's you, the host should find your name in the list. Next to that participant's name, click More Actions. This is commonly represented by 3 dots. From the menu that opens, choose Add as Co-host. The participant will immediately gain co-host privileges, which effectively grants them control over key moderation features. A few helpful notes to keep things smooth. Co-hosting is available for supported Google Workspace editions, and some organizations restrict who can be made a co-host. If the Add as Co-host option isn't visible, make sure host management is turned on, and confirm that the meeting is being run from a supported account. Also, co-hosts should remain in the meeting for as long as they need those controls. Leaving and rejoining may require the host to reapply the role depending on settings. That's it. By joining from your calendar, turning on host management, opening the People panel, and selecting Add as Co-host, you or your teammate can request and receive control in Google Meet. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you run your meetings more confidently.